Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a couple products that you will definitely need for your wigs, your extension, your frontal, your closure, just to make sure that it lasts for a very long time. This video, it was just random. I finished my makeup, which this video is already up, make sure you check it out. But I finished my makeup and I was like, why am I gonna take my makeup off right now? I'll just do another video. So here I am. Okay, so today's video, I'll be showing you a couple products that I use personally, but that I have been using for a very long time, even before I started my hair company. Make sure you guys check it out. I'll put a link down below. But these are the products that I've been using personally, not sponsored. I buy with my own money, and I'm going to show you guys what I use and what you can use. So if you want to see all of my products, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I will be showing you wigs. I'm going to show you 3 different texture of wigs that I have right now, and also what you have to put in those kind of hair, because if you have a curly hair, you cannot put in certain products for that hair. If you have a straight hair, you can't put in that products for that hair, if you know what I mean. So first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and show you this wig that I have. I did talk about this wig, and I did show you how this is a full lace wig, by the way, and I show you how I put the tracks in between to make it much fuller. If you did not watch that video, make sure you go ahead and check it out. But this is a full lace wig. This is a 130 in density, and I make it to a 180 because I put like 4 or 5 tracks in it, and it's much fuller and thicker, as you can see. Right now I just wash it and I let it sit. So this is the natural curl. This is a deep curl. So with the deep curl, you have to make sure that when you take it off your head, you have to wash it, you have to deep condition it, and that's what I always do. I normally keep curly hair on my head for 1 week, and then I take it out, I deep condition it, and then I let it sit for 1 day into the deep condition, and then I wash it out and then let it air dry. So this is how it looks when it's washed and air dry. And what I use to wash my wigs, wash all of my wigs, is I use the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair. This is the shampoo. I can't find a condition right now, but this one is the shampoo. I hope you can see it. This one is no sulfate free. All of the Cantu condition and shampoo is sulfate free, so make sure that when you're going to buy shampoo and condition, you look and make sure that it's a no sulfate. So as you can see right here, I don't know if you can see it, but this is what it says: no sulfate silicone, purple miracle oil. That's what it says. And this is what I always use, the shampoo and condition. So that's number 1, and this is for all my wigs, straight, curly, wavy, whatever. This one is what I always use. And to style this curly hair, I go into this thing called Carol's Daughter Hair Milk, and this is for curly coil kinky wave, as you can see. And this is what I got from one of my person who I used to work for. She moved to Arizona, but she gave me this, and she gave me this 2 years ago, I cannot stop using it. It's almost done, as you can see. I have to go check it out and see if Amazon sell it. I'm praying and hoping that Amazon do sell it, but I think I could go on Carol's Daughter website or something and order it and something like that. I don't know the price of it, but I think normally with Carol's Daughter products, they're pretty much expensive, but not like over the top expensive, because these are good. Trust me, when I use it and my curly hair, it's just giving me life. So this is what I use for only my curly hair. And what else I use the mousse super hold. I don't really use this, to be honest, because this will give it a lot of hold. I normally use this like when it's wet, and I just put a little bit, I don't put too much. But I use another mousse, but I think you could use any mousse, to be honest. Like, don't get the one, this one say alcohol free, So don't get the one that have alcohol. Check the one out that say alcohol free. This is the way how it look, and I got this from my beauty supply store. If my camera could focus, hold on. Okay, so this is how it look, and I have been using this on and off, but I normally use different kind of mousse. To be honest, it doesn't really matter as long as it say alcohol free. So this is the two stuff that I use for my curly hair, and then I just put a little bit of spray, a little bit of oil sheen, and I'm done. So this is the curly hair section that I use when I put in for my curly hair. So now we're gonna go on to the straight hair, which I have on my head. As I told you guys, all of my wigs that I have is from my hair company. I do not do, I can't speak, I do not do other people hair review. As I said, I don't get PR, I don't get sponsored, I don't get nothing. So everything that I have, I bought. This is from my hair company. Everything, to be honest, everything. So what I put into my straight hair is way different from what I put into my curly hair. So for my straight hair, that I normally, when I take it off, I deep condition it and then I let it air dry, and then I only put the hair serum heat protector. So this is a hair serum and also a heat protector. I know that a lot of guys, you see me use it a lot on my video. So this is the way how it look, and I like to use this one, the olive oil one. I really love it. So I got this from my beauty supply store, so you can go ahead and check it out. But this one say heat protection and hair serum. I think they have different kind, like they have one with just hair serum and then one with heat protector, but this one is both. And pretty much that's it that I put into my straight hair. Nothing else, no mousse, nothing else. And then maybe a little bit of spray like a hair sheen. I don't know where it is right now, but I just put a little bit of hair sheen when I finish it off. But to be honest, this is the only thing I put into my straight hair, because you cannot put a lot of stuff into your hair because it will weigh it down. So you don't want to do that. So keep it minimal. Just keep it low, keep it low. So the next one I want to talk about, I haven't did a review on this one, but this is the transparent lace. I will be doing a review on this pretty much very soon. I'm not going to talk about the whole entire hair. I'm only going to talk about the texture. This is a body wave. This is freshly washed, and as I said, I let it air dry. So this is the way how it looked. This is also on my website to purchase right now. Everything is on my website to purchase, so go ahead and check it out. But this is the body wave. I showed you the curly, I showed you the straight. Now I'm going to show you the body wave. And the body wave is pretty much like the straight hair. You don't need a lot of products with the body wave. Deep condition it, let it air dry. When it's dry, you could go ahead and use your oil sheen again, and then you could put some more curls because it's a body wave, so sometimes the curls kind of come out a little bit. So you could go ahead and curl it back up, and this is the reason why you should use this, because it's a heat protector and serum. So just put it into the hair and then curl it up if you want to, and that's it. You are done. You are completely done. Do not put a lot of products into your wig, your extension, your frontal, your closure. Don't do that. It will weigh it down and it won't last a long time. Okay, please listen to me. Okay, listen to me. All right, so most of my hair that I have is over a year. Some of them is 2 years old because I don't put a lot of products into my hair, and I always deep condition my hair. Okay, you have to do that. Don't take your wig off and then throw it down. Don't do that. Okay. So yeah, this is the body wave, and it's the same thing that as the straight wave. I mean, as the straight hair, you do not put a lot of products. Why can't I speak today? You cannot put a lot of products in the hair. Okay, so I have one more hair texture to show you, and this one is really important for all you natural girls out there who like to wear natural wigs, okay, to match your hair type. So I'm going to show you one more here. Okay, so this one here is the Afro Kinky. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me, because I do post a lot of my videos before I post it on YouTube. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. That link will be always down below and on the screen, so check it out. But this is the Afro Kinky here. Did a review on it. I showed you how I put it on. I showed you the whole thing. Okay, so make sure you check out my videos. This is the Afro Kinky. This is not a full lace wig. This is a 13x4 frontal. So pretty much with the Afro Kinky is mad kinky. This is like a 4C here. So if you guys have a 4C here, or if you know somebody who have a 4C here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know exactly how this wig feel. It is soft. It is very soft, but it have a lot of texture. Okay, so this one here, you pretty much have to put more than what you normally put for your curly hair, your regular curly hair like this, because as you can see, it have two different curls to it. So I'm going to show you exactly what you put in it to make it last longer. As I said, you have to deep condition all of your hair. So this hair, I took it off and I deep conditioned it and I let it air dry. So this is the way how it look when it's air dry. This looks so natural on me. You could never believe that this was a wig when I put it onto my hair, because this is the way how my hair is. This is the texture that I have. I do have a 4C here. So what you gotta put in there is deep conditioning hair with your Cantu sulfate-free, and then when you're gonna style it here, I normally use this Auntie Jackie curl and coil curl la, and I showed you I got it from the beauty supply store. This is the way how it look. So this is the curl la, and when I put it into the hair, when it's wet, I normally do that when it's wet. I just take a little bit, as you can see that it's like half, and I just rub it into my hand and then put it onto the hair, and the curl just bam, come right back just like that. So I normally put that into the hair when it's wet, and then I normally put the Cantu leave-in condition. This is the way how it is. I love using the Cantu leave-in condition. Hope you can see it, but this one is the Cantu leave-in condition. Oh my god, who is calling me right now? Okay, so this is the Cantu leave-in condition, which I always put in the hair, the coily kinky hair when it's wet. And then after that, now I will tap it off with some mousse and then put some oil sheen in it. So pretty much that is what you normally put into your hair. And then sometime I will go into the curly kinky coil here. So as you can see that I do put a lot more into this hair right here. So I start with this when it's damp, and then I go into this. This is the leave-in condition. Then I sometimes take this one, and then I will kind of tap it off with the mousse, because you want it to keep curly. Like you have to make it, you know, moist and curly. So this is what I put. And then to top it off, I will put my oil sheen, which I will show you in a second. Let me go get it. Okay guys, so I am back, and I went ahead and I got my cream of nature. I could not find this thing for one shit. I don't know where I put it, but I finally find it. I'm happy, but this one is what I use. As you can see that I use a lot of cream of nature products. Not sponsored, because cream of nature products are very, very, very good for, you know, natural curly kinky wavy hair. So this is what I use, and this is the oil sheen. This one is the refreshing sheen spray with Aragon oil, as you can see right here. So this is what I pretty much use just to tap off when I finish styling my hair. But pretty much these are all the products that I use. I'm not going to talk about how I glue my hair down, because you guys know that I started to use the bed head right here. I talk about it, I review it, I did everything already, so make sure you check that video out. But this is really good. But I just want to talk about the products that I put into my hair, my wigs, my everything, just to make sure that it lasts a very, very, very long time. Because if you do not take care of your hair, it will definitely mess up and you have to throw it out and you just waste all of that money. So make sure, if you do buy hair from me, make sure that you're using the products that I showed you. If you cannot afford the products that I showed you, just try to get something that is close to it, that, you know, when you're washing your hair, it has no sulfate in it. This is really good, and this is very inexpensive. I cannot find the, I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I got it from the beauty supply store. You could definitely get this, I promise you. Or if you do not like to use the Cantu sheer butter, just make sure that you get a shampoo and conditioner that say no sulfate, okay? No sulfate. Read, okay? Read the direction, read whatever they put into it, and say, make sure that they say no sulfate, okay? And pretty much that's about it. Just, you know, work with what you have and pretty much take care of your wigs. Make sure that you're treating it good, just like how you treat your own hair, and you'll be fine. You will definitely be fine. So guys, I'm not gonna keep this video too long. I hope you enjoyed. It was just random, to be honest, because as I said, I did my makeup and I didn't want to take it off, so I said, all right, let me just try to find another video to do, and I'm here, and that's what I came up with. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to tune in every day, Monday through Friday. Subscribe before you go, turn on your bell, leave me a comment, tell me if you want me to do any review, any makeup tutorial, anything. I don't care, anything, just leave it down in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.